Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box with the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It's Monday, the 22nd of January. These are the charts of the day. Well, folks, we had an interesting consolidation day. It's just when it looked like the market would pop up and then come back down. It then consolidated sideways all day. So I'm of the opinion we may not be done yet, but I sure was concerned this morning when I saw the pullback coming off of a spike up. The gap was filled, then the coil set in. And let's focus on the individual stuff because there were a lot of things moving today. We got a breakout in AFRM, our swing, which had run up and pulled back in a nice three-wave corrective falling wedge near the 50-day moving average and lateral price support. No, it reversed on Friday, and then today popped back above the 21-day moving average before backing off. Net, it was up 238, about 5.6%. Volume was heavier, the heaviest in 3 weeks, nearly 24.5 million shares traded. I think the extension target now would be a retest of the highs at 52.5, and then we're looking for a 58.60 range. Bfrg, what a flyer. The stock has just exploded in 5 days, 242. Today's high, 767. That's a triple in less than a week. Be really careful with these. As an AI play, next target would have to be somewhere around 8.5, 65, as early as tomorrow if there's a follow-through. After hours, you can see the wedge, the coil that formed, and it finished right at support. Need to get that to follow through. Up next, CRDO, which is a recent addition to our swing trade, and doing great today, new all-time high as it spiked up on Friday to resistance and broke through today. If you get it follow through here, you're going to look at 24.5, 3/4 next, and it might happen quickly. Carvana, well, also a 4-week declining channel and an orderly one, got right to the 50, right to the trend line, moved off the lows, and today snapped right back up towards resistance, reaching as high as 50 plus, finishing 48.49, up about 8%. Now, the next target would have to be a retest of the multiple tops up in the 61.2 zone. If you get there, then you're looking at much higher than that. Your stop has to be under 40. DWAC exploding for the 5th day now. It has moved from in the 16.5, 17 zone to as high as 51.30 today. That's just in a week, so be really careful, especially today with a run from 27 to 51, nearly doubling. 30 million shares traded, and yet it closed at the upper end of the range. There may be some follow through tomorrow. Ewtx. This biotech stock broke out of a base, spiked, and then 3-wave corrective flag, breakaway gap Friday. Beautiful follow through today. My target next is 18.25.5 and then 22.3. FSLY breaking out of a base today with a pop on 6.8 million, 6.9 million, up $1.45 or almost 8%. Extension targets are 22 and 24.5. GTHX spiked up a month ago and pulled back, and now a slow, steady rising channel with a gain today of about 8%. 1.8 million traded. Key resistance now is 4. You get through that, 5 is your target. INOD with an inverse head and shoulders may have broken the neckline today with a pop from 867 to 1038. The finish was 1005 up 139 or 16%. The follow-through targets are 11.5, 13, and 15. KOLD, well, 2 days in a row spiking up after breaking through the declining tops line of moving averages. Today was a key breakaway move, although it did get up to resistance, and there is a resistance zone here that may be tougher to get through. But your next target could be 117. KOPN, this low price stock is a snake trader swing. 1, 2, 3, and wave 4. It snapped back a little bit today, about 5%. Volume is still low though for this stock, 829,000. Our targets are 2.5, 4, 2.5, 3, and 3.5, 4. LBPH, look at the coil that's developing quietly up 4 days in a row. Fairly low volume for this stock, but the coil is very bullish. If it pops 33, 38, 42, any of those are possible. ORIC broke out as well today, breaking through quadruple top. That was actually on Friday. The follow through is today. Your targets are 12 and 13.75. PHVS breaking out of a flag today, popping across resistance, only to back off. Nevertheless, keep an eye on this one with a target of 47.8. Swing trade SGHT finally broke its 3-week long flag with a pop of about 15% on 657,000. Not huge volume, but it's very thin. Target 8.5 and 10.5. SGMT exploded. It was a great day trade today. It literally went 577 to 2071 before backing off to about 12. It then bounced to 19, backed off to 17 and a half. Finished net up 1066. That's 156% on a mere volume of 36 million shares. This is a new all-time high for it. There may be some follow-through. Look for 22 and 25. Swing trade UIS ramping near the top of the channel. Popped at 70 cents or 10% today, and it traded just over $1 million. Great looking little chart. Next target, 8.5. Viking Therapeutics, also a tech trader swing. Broke out here, ran up and flagged, popped and flagged again. Looks like it's ready for more. 26, 29, and 34 are your targets. And finally, Western Digital broke through key resistance today and spiked up from 55 to 58.78. Finished 57.53 up to 276. That's only a 5% gain, but momentum is there. The next target appears to be 63.5, 64. That's it for tonight, everybody. That's a look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody.